Hi guys. Today's session is about like what is real-time analytics and what we are using here. End-to-end flow we are going to discuss. Okay. And one more thing is like basically guys, I am using real-time analytics for the purpose of based on event streaming, which is getting the data, okay, through some rapid API event stream data, which is contained, for example, we can see in Rapid API website, we have lots of example real streaming data. We can get it via API. Okay, so right now, uh, this session is about like what is real-time analytics, and I will just go through this real-time analytics definition and what is event stream. Then we are going to discuss about the end-to-end flow, how we are going to design that flow. Okay. So guys, real-time analytics in Microsoft Fabric is a fully managed big data analytics platform optimized for streaming and time series data. Okay, right now I'm focusing about streaming data. It utilizes query language engine which exhausts for performance of searching structured and semi-structured and unstructured data with high performance. Real-time analytics fully integrated with Ensure suite of Fabric product for both data loading and advanced visualization scenario. Real-time analytics is fully managed big data analytics platform optimized for streaming and time series data. It utilizes a query language and engine with exceptional performance for searching structured and semi-structured and unstructured data. Real-time analytics is fully integrated with entire suite of Fabric product for both data loading, data transformation, and advanced visualization scenario. Okay, this is about real-time analytics in Microsoft Fabric, guys. Now, okay, so guys, basically, this is a standard architecture diagram where general we are getting the data from lakehouse or data warehouse, unstructured or event streaming or machine learning model, and this data can be like ingesting with help of pipeline and CI and shortcuts or to SQL KQL database or lakehouse. Okay, right now guys, but basically we are focusing major part from event streaming. Okay, with help of event streaming, and we are loading data to whether KQL database, okay, whether here, okay, lakehouse. So we have two targets. We can use whatever we want. Then after we loaded the data, then again reporting team can utilize this our data for their real-time analytics reports. Okay. Now we will focus about event streaming, and we are loading data with help of Rapid API. Okay, some API we are going to utilize. Okay. Application program interface, Rapid API I'm using. That API we are going to utilize and load this event with help of event streaming and load data to lakehouse or KQL database. Okay. This is the standard diagram, guys. We clear this one. So now, guys, basically I want to tell you key components which I'm using in my requirement. Okay. So what is event stream? Event stream feature in Microsoft Fabric give you a centralized place in the Fabric platform to capture and transform and route real-time events to various destinations with no code explanation. You don't need to write any code. Okay, you just like capture the event stream data in the JSON format or delimited text, and you want to apply any transformation and can load to various destinations. Okay, it is a part of real-time analytics experience. The event stream item you can create in the portal has instance of Fabric event stream. Right now I'm using Microsoft Fabric, guys. Okay, and when you create an event stream, you can add an event data source, routine data, routine destination, and event process when you need the transformation. Okay, I will give the key things in the event stream. What are the options are available? Based on that, we will go ahead. Okay, and guys, I want to make some automate. Why? Because I don't want to like the API will call automatically, and it has to fetch the data whenever I'm click and refresh. So I'm using Power Automate Microsoft cloud-based API. I mean cloud-based application that will help me to like automate the API whenever I'm refreshing, it will fetching the data. So I'm making one flow with help of Power Automate. So what is Microsoft Power Automate? Microsoft Power Automate, formerly called Microsoft Flow, is a cloud-based software that allows employees to create and automate workflows and tasks across multiple applications and services without help from the developers. So simple guys, it will make some automation process. You don't need to depending on developer. You can create the tasks, workflows that will help you to make automate your applications. So right now I'm using same Microsoft Power Automate. I want to fetch the API data. Okay, whenever I click on refresh button, it will pull the data and showcase me in the Microsoft Fabric. Okay, and guys, this is like end-to-end scenario, but right now I'm focusing about Azure Event Hub with help of Power Automate. I will create this one. Now it is this data going to access via with help of real-time analytic known as event streaming. With the event streaming, whenever I click on refresh, it will get the data from the Azure Event Hub, and this data again will loading into target lakehouse or KQL database. Okay, these are the like guys end-to-end scenarios where we are using mostly for the Microsoft real-time analytics. Okay, just 1 second, guys. So guys, let's go ahead and we can create this part. Okay, and we are loading, but our target would be the KQL database or lakehouse. Okay, we are not focusing about this part, we are focusing about this part. Okay, let's go ahead and create this now. So let me go to the home page of Microsoft Fabric. Okay. So guys, this is homepage of Microsoft Fabric. Guys, already I think you are aware of the Microsoft Fabric. If not, simply I want to explain to you. Microsoft Fabric is a SaaS-based cloud application. It is a like similar of Azure. But thing is like here, guys, mostly we are using for the data analytic engineering purpose. It means, guys, all your data in one location, organize and collaborate and create. It means, guys, you can maintain all data in one lakehouse. That data again can utilize for the whether you can utilize for the Synapse data science, data warehouse, data engineering purpose, or real-time analytics. So you don't need to maintain extra databases and anything. In one lakehouse, you can get the data. If you want to more explore on the Microsoft Fabric, you can check it at okay my other sessions that will help to you more. So guys, basically I'm logging to here real-time. I log into this Azure Fabric. I'm click on this icon real-time analytics. Here, basically, I have created many flows. Okay. Right now, I'm going to create an event stream. I think I have already opened many windows, many tabs. Now, let me click on event stream. I'm click on this rapid API event stream real time. Okay. So, guys, basically, in my example, what I'm doing, okay, basically, I'm logging to this rapid API. Okay, these are like rapid API which will providing me streaming availability Netflix data. For example, with help of via API, I'm going to access. Okay, and in this site, right? For example, we can get the like free APIs. Okay, which can you test for your like you want to do some scenarios, you want to do some practical scenarios, right? You can try it with help of this API, rapid API. So basically, I'm using this rapid API here and trying to select this streaming availability by movie of the night. Okay, it contain endpoint of Netflix, Prime, Disney, all are OTT platform details. But I'm trying to get the country's details. When I click on this country details, okay, it is giving this API details. If you want in any languages like JavaScript, Python, right? You can select it and you can copy the API and use it. Okay, these are the rapid API which I'm using. Now I'm going back, guys. It is very easy. You just need to log in and select you any streaming API, and you need to subscribe the free based. Once you subscribe, right, it will give this streaming example. It will give this API details like endpoint, about, tutorials, everything is available, pricing also. Now, right now I'm using V3 current version country tab. I want to get the country related information. Okay, here I'm utilizing. Now, this is one part, but basically part is like I want to showcase you existing uh, Power Automate, how I have done. See, basically guys, you can go to the Power Automate with help of this tab. I already add this plugin in my Microsoft Fabric. Okay, I'm click on this Microsoft Fabric. Okay, now you can go ahead and see here you can create a Power Automate like flow, complete flow. Right now I'm using existing one. So for example, my flows, if I click on this flows, okay, this got like 37 minutes ago I have done this one. Now click on this one. If you see here, recurrence is available, HTTP. These are the guys, some like some steps, or we call it as in some process. I want to recurrence, it has to execute every minute, and the API will call from with help of this one. Okay, now send event will help me. Like this event, this all this API data, it is going to my real-time analytics here. Okay, so guys, basically right now, in this Microsoft Fabric, I'm going to create one custom map. Via this custom map only, I'm able to get this Power Automate. What when once it is executing it, I will get this data. Okay, let me showcase to you. Okay, for example, I want to create first the Power Automate. Okay, let me go back, create automated cloud flow. Okay, now I want to add a name, or will generate one. See, it's a rapid API custom. Okay, flow name, I'm mentioning flow name. So guys, basically I have just skipped it, no need to worry. You can edit the added trigger. I think you don't need to use this one. Let me go back, recreate one more time. Create a flow. I want to use scheduled. I want to add the name. Okay, I'm using schedule on this. I forget it. Like rapid API to Fabric. Okay. Suppose I want to execute 1 minute. Okay, fine. To start at 10, I'm mentioning. I want to start at what is the time? 6:49, right? Yes. Absolutely 17, no problem. Great. I can manually execute it. It can like repeat every 1 minute, guys. Okay, no problem. Okay. So recurrence got created. Now I am adding add an action HTTP. Okay, I want to add one second. Let me see. HTTP. Yes, HTTP. Select this one. Okay, enter the URL. Okay, the URL, like guys, for example, this is rapid API, right? The URL, this is the one, but I want to see in the JavaScript wise. Okay, this is the one. I want the URL. Why? Because I want to copy paste the URL. I'm just copy and pasting this URL. And this method is get, and I want to enter the key. Guys, make sure you should enter the proper key. Okay, I'm entering this, copying this one. Header request details, and I want to copy the Control C. Sorry, I want to go to this way. Control V. That's all. Apart from this, nothing else here. Just come back. Now I have added this HTTP. Now I want to add send event. Okay. send event. Just type it send event. So basically, this is the important step, guys, we have to do. So send event once you added. So here, the name of the event hub. Okay, no need to worry. Let me change the connection. I want to add one more. Okay, here I'm adding connection name, Rapid API, Microsoft Fabric API event stream. Okay, access key. This is the access key. Now, it record connection string. The connection string where we get here. Okay, I just created this Microsoft, right? Few minutes back I have created, right? So I'm creating one custom app. I'm nothing add. I'm just entering Rapid API custom app. Okay, event string. Okay, now click on add. So once you added, right? Now you have to click on this event hub tab. Click on key. Now I am to select the primary key. Okay, copy this one. Now enter over here. Control V. Create a new. Once you added that, now you have to add the event hub name. Now going back, click on this entity name. This is very important. Why? Because the Power Automate will, like, the process is like a simple way, guys. The Power Automate will send the data API, whatever API get requested to this send event. Okay, HTTP to send event. This send event again sending the data to Microsoft Fabric. Okay, any data is refreshing, right? So it is going. Now I want to add the advanced tab, content. Click on content. Now here click on this tab, body, that's all. So we have done. This is enough here. Now click on save. Okay, click on save. Now click on flow checker. Any errors? No errors. Click on test. Okay, manual I'm running. There are no runners for this flow. No, fine, no problem. I'm just running manually. First time. Done. You can schedule it also, guys. You can schedule it and you can run manually also. You can automate this process. So now my request got it 1 second got completed. And HTTP request also, if you want to see the detailed step, it is like your flow running successfully. It is getting the downloaded the data also. Now send event, it is passed to this event. Now this event data I can refresh here. So I can refresh. Now when I click on refresh, okay, this will show automatically. Okay, I am getting the data in the JSON format. See, this is the data I'm getting. So it contains like event process time, event, okay, equal UTC time, okay, to showcase the UTC time. Now you can see the data I'm getting. Okay, it contains country code, services, Apple ID, Apple TV, and there's a URL, theme color, everything is showcasing here. Now I'm getting this data, but I want to load into what? What is the requirement? So my requirement is I want to load data to Lakehouse, right? As per the standard architecture, I want to load the data to with help of event streaming. I'm loading data to Lakehouse or KQL. You can load it. But guys, KQL database, you can't do transformations. But in Lakehouse, you can do transformations. For example, if I'm adding the destination, here I can set the KQL database. Make sure the database has to be created, or else you can create from here also. Okay, you can direct here. You can select see KQL destination with a direct ingestion does not support AV audio data. So you have to you can select other format. So this is the way we have to enter the data destination name, workspace, and database name. But once again, guys, I want to enter it to the Lakehouse. Why? Because I want to do some transformation if I want. Okay. Now destination name is like Rapid API country data OTT. Okay, I'm selecting the lakehouse. I want to add into this. Okay, and FB1 lake. I'm selecting the, you can enter the table name. It is directly creating the delta table in one lake, guys. Okay, TT. That's all. Okay, I'm adding as a new JSON format. What is the format you want? Okay, input data format is JSON, it is coming. Now open event processor. Okay, guys, this only it is available for the Legos, but if you, I don't think so. It is available for the KQL database. You click on open event processor. Here you can do the some transformation. For example, all I think, for example, see, let me, if I click on this plus button, I want to manage fields. Okay, manage fields. You can click on manage field. You can add a fields also. Selecting the imported schema. Here it is showcase the results. Yeah, I want only like AE details. What is country code, name, services. Okay, so I want like this data. Okay, you can apply the parsing the data. You can do it or whatever required information. Okay, you want to apply anything, right? So I'm just selecting that AE country code. I'm selecting the country code, add. Okay, now I want to select the imported schema result, AE name. I want name. Okay, now I want services. Which services I want to go for Netflix name. I can add another name also here. Add it. Okay, that's all. Are done. So this kind of information I can load to the Legos. Okay. Now done. See, automatically the data is showcasing AE name Netflix. Done. Now once you click on add, automatically adding destination, it is automatically creating the tables also, guys. Okay. It is automatically creating the tables with help of event-based streaming. Okay, known as Realtime. Now, once you've done it right, you can, once the table got generated successfully added, once your table got generated, you can check it over here. We have web B1, you can directly open, you can check it. Okay. For example, if I open this my one lake house, okay, it is taking time. So see here, I've created this rapid API Netflix. I guess this is the table name. We click on this one. So guys, I think these are like 30 minutes back I have created, but let's wait for one more table has to show. Why? Because this, I think it got created 30 minutes back. Okay, it is taking time. We refresh. Or else I can go back. I can check the table name again. One second, guys. Rapid API country data. So it is taking time, guys. No need to worry. Data preview failed. Okay, no need to worry. It will create it. It will take time, guys. But here we are able to see the data. Okay. So I just apply that what are the columns I also have showcasing the transformation part. Here it is showcasing. Just wait for. In here detail tab, you can see it's taking time. Okay. So it's showcasing ingesting. Okay, let me go to the details tab. Sorry, let me go to this one here. So it is ingesting the step. Okay. You can directly create a notebook also, guys. Okay. Like you want to apply some PySpark, right? Let me refresh one more time. So destination here showcasing, guys. Okay. When I click on this one, okay. Once I refresh it, destination is showcasing. Okay, source, and this is the destination lakehouse. In lakehouse, we have created the delta table. Okay. But guys, it will taking time. Okay. So like this, I want to showcase you end-to-end flow. I have showcased it already. So guys, the overview for this session is about how to get a event stream data by using real-time analytics. And guys, now later guys, the reporting team, Power BI team can utilize this data from the lakehouse. See, the rapid API country data is showcasing, right? EAE, United, Netflix. So like this, we can get the data from the real-time streaming API with help of event streaming in Microsoft Fabric. Guys, after this one, I have loaded it. This lakehouse can utilize this delta table for the Power BI purpose. Then Power BI team can make the real-time data. So this is the way we can create end-to-end process for the